Downloading Citrix File to your PC. Go to Google and type in share file. And you're going to click on the first thing that pops up in your search results, and it'll be from sharefile.com. Once you've reached this page, go to login in the top right-hand corner. And here you're going to put in DDK CPAs. Then type in your username and password and click sign in. Now it's going to ask for two-factor authentication, so I can ask them to either send me a text message, a voice call, or to use an authenticator app. I chose text message. It's really easy. They just send a verification code to your cell, and I got the code, type it in, and we are ready to go. Once I've been verified, I come to this home page, and I'm going to click on apps in the top right-hand corner. And you see there's an option to download Citrix Files for Windows. So click download, and you'll see that download appear in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Once it's been downloaded, click on it, and this page will pop up. So the program is being set up. This might take a couple minutes, that's fine. Get a cup of coffee, and just wait for it to load. Once it says installation successfully completed, click launch. It'll take a few seconds to load, but eventually a second sign-in window will pop up. You'll put in DDK CPAs again, and again you're going to put in your username and password. You have to do two-factor authentication again. I chose text message again. I got a verification code. I click it, hit verify, and wait a minute or two. It's going to take some time, but eventually this window will pop up. And it's a welcome page. You can read through it, click continue. It gives a little tour. Click done when you've finished, and your Windows Explorer will open up. Now at this point, I see that Citrix Files has been added, and it's in the Z drive under my PC. And if this is what happens, at this point you're good to go, you're okay. But what might happen is that Citrix Files does not show up in the Z drive, and you need to move it there. To do that, click on the upwards arrow at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Right-click on the blue S, and then click on Settings. And then under Citrix Files Drive, if it's not Z, change it to Z. And this will put Citrix Files on your Z drive if it is not already there. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.